arithmetic logic code so that we can divide two 8-bit numbers. So basically we will be writing assembly language program to divide two 8-bit numbers. So here we will consider the two numbers that is to be present in the memory locations 40H and 41H. So the memory locations will be stored, which will be utilized will be 40H and 41H, and the input data that will be stored will be FF and 0A. So we will be dividing FF by 0A, and the result of this operation will give you a quotient and a remainder. So we will be storing the quotient in the location 50H and the remainder will be stored in the location 51H. So this 50H and 51H corresponds to the memory location where the results will be stored, and this is the result obtained on division. So 19 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. So when you divide FF by 0A, you get 19 as the quotient and the remainder is 0.5. So to perform this division, we will be using the arithmetic instruction divide AB. Okay, so when you use this instruction divide AB, you need to see to it that you are dividing A by B. That means whatever is the dividend has to be moved in the accumulator and the divisor is supposed to be in the B register. After performing the division, the result will be stored in the accumulator and the B register. So after division, the accumulator will contain the quotient and the B register will contain the remainder. Clear? Is it clear till here? Clear? So this program is very simple, just that we are using two memory locations because we need to store our dividend and divisor, and then we perform division using the arithmetic instruction divide AB, and when we divide AB, it is basically A divided by B. So we need to see to it that our dividend is in the accumulator and the divisor is in the B register. After division, the quotient will be stored in the accumulator and the remainder will be in the B register. And to check whether our division is correct or no, you can ensure that you use your calculators and you can perform in the hexa mode, that is in the hexadecimal. You can perform the division and there you will be obtaining the quotient. To check what is the remainder, what we do is remainder will be equal to dividend minus quotient into the divisor. So when you do this, you will be obtaining the result. So because I cannot show you here in terms of the calculator, let me quickly show you using the online tool that I have. So I was using FF as the dividend and I need to divide this with 0a. When I divide this with 0a, the result you can see ff divided by 0a, 19 is the quotient and the remainder is 5. Fine. And if you want to check the remainder using your calcs, I have already specified you what expression you need to use. That is, remainder is equal to dividend minus quotient into divisor. Yes, okay. Now, since we are using 40 and 41H memory location to store the input data and result will be stored in 50 and 51H, we need to see to it that initially we are loading the dividend into the accumulator, the divisor into the B register, perform the division, and then whatever result of division that we obtain, which is stored in the accumulator and B register, should be appropriately moved to the memory locations 50H and 51H. So the code goes like this. We begin the program with the origin, mention what is the starting address, and here you can see we are taking the dividend and moving it to the A register. So the A register, the accumulator in our case, consists of the content FF. So this is our dividend. Next, we are going to move the divisor into the B register, and in our example we considered the divisor to be 0a. So A is the dividend, B is the divisor. It will divide A by B. So the result, that is the quotient, will be stored in the accumulator, which was equal to 19, and the remainder will be stored in the B register, which was equal to 0.5. Now this quotient has to be moved to 50H. So you have the instruction move 50H comma A. So now the location 50H will consist of 19 and the location 51H will consist of the remainder 5. Finally, terminate the code. The memory locations that I need to consider is 40 and 41. So in 40 was supposed to be my dividend, so I will enter FF there, and the divisor was 0A, that will enter in the location 51H. Now let me do the step-by-step execution. Initially what should happen is that this FF dividend should move to the accumulator. So look at this window corresponding to the registers. When I execute this line of code, the content of the accumulator should change. So accumulator is now having FF, B register will now have 0A. You will perform divide AB. So quotient is present in accumulator and remainder is present in the B register. Simultaneously, because this is 19, you have odd number of ones in the accumulator. So that is why the program status word has changed to 01, because the parity is set. Now what we need to do is, our intended result should be that quotient should be present in 50H and remainder in 51H. So when I do move 50H comma A, 50H, let me just change this so that you can observe. 50H, you have 19, quotient is already come, and now remainder is present in 51H memory location.